Hello there. In this video I'll show you how to find the fuse boxes in a Mark III Ford Mondeo. This car has two fuse boxes, one of which is awkward to get to, but don't worry, we'll figure it out. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right. To access the awkward fuse box, we have to remove the glove box. To do that, first open it, empty it, and then look all the way up there in the top left-hand corner for a dampener. This black thing is the dampener, and its job is to help the glove box open smoothly rather than just crash open, but for now it needs to be removed. My dampener is broken, so it simply falls easily away to the left, like so. If yours isn't broken, it may need a little more persuasion. Either way, get it out of the way. The glove box is also held in place by a plastic stop up here. I'll show you. It is that black thing. So, grab the side of the glove box, then pull it inwards, then move the glove box down, and that will move the stop to the other side of the dashboard. Just like that. And now we do exactly the same over here on the other side of the glove box. Come on now, off you come. Perfect. We now need to have another look down the left side of the glove box because there's another fastener. Specifically, is that black thing there. That fastener acts as the hinge, and as we'd expect, there's an identical one on the other side down there. To release those hinge fasteners, simply grab the glove box here on both sides and pull. There we go. It is now free, but a word of warning. Hang on, let me grab the camera and I shall show you. There are some wires here. That one there is for the auxiliary port, so be careful not to pull too hard and damage that. But now we have our prize because up there, look, a fuse box. So, how do we know which fuse does what? Well, there's a fuse box diagram in the owner's manual. In my manual, it starts on page 185, so you can pause the video here if you need to. There's more information on page 186 and 7, and page 188 is worth a look too. Bear in mind too that some of that information is replicated via this sticker on the left side of the glove box. Here's a close-up. Mercifully, the other fuse box is easier to find. It's in the engine bay. Specifically, it's here on the car's left. To open it, press this tab and hold, and then simply lift the lid up, give it a wiggle, out it pops, and there we go. Oh, by the way, this lid has some surprisingly useful features. I'll show you. For example, all along the top here, we have part of the fuse box diagram. It's tricky to see, but it's there. Moving down, that white thing is a fuse removal tool, very useful. These, of course, are spare fuses with storage for more, and moving further down, we have more fuse box diagram shenanigans. Good stuff. And that's how to find the fuse boxes in a Mark III Ford Mondeo, which, in that one's case, is far more tedious than it should be. That's it, but while I put this lot back together, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video? And I'll see you next time. What a faff.